Imagine all your text messages being read by someone. Imagine everything you say through your phone call being recorded somewhere and somebody have it. Imagine all the video calls you made on WhatsApp being screenshotted and somebody have evidence of it. Imagine a situation where everything you do online is being tracked. Imagine a situation where wherever you go, wherever you meet, somebody have record of it. Imagine being tracked in such a manner. This is called privacy invasion. Imagine if your privacy being invaded by someone. Let me tell you something about this privacy invasion. Privacy invasion is when somebody invading your privacy without your consent. So imagine without knowing somebody is just monitoring you this way. Don't go away, there's a solution to that. I'll come back after this break. One of the best applications you can also use to find out if you are being tracked is called Track Detect. Track Detect is being built or created by Apple to allow you to know when somebody is tracking you, especially with AirTag. Now, there's another application called AirTag, also created by Apple. Now, Apple created AirTag to help them track objects, not just objects, phones, Android or Apple phone, any type of phone. Now, somebody may be tracking you and you don't know. For you to know if you are being subjected to such track, then what you have to do is to look for this application on your screen. It is called Track Detect. We will go into how to set it up and how to use it. I believe this video could have made a change in your life and help you to stay safe online. Please don't go away without subscribing to our YouTube channel. This is the only way we can remain focused in producing more videos and other tips that can help you to stay safe in a digital world. Maybe you want to read more and study more about this Track Detect. You can go to our website as newscenterng.com/tech. Visit our website. There you will read through and see how to use it, step-by-step guide with pictorial evidence on how to install them.